Hello friends, this is Sister Stanis. In this video, we are going to see a theorem on connectivity in graph theory. The statement of the theorem is, for any graph G, k less than or equal to k dash and which is less than or equal to delta. To prove the theorem, let us see the following definitions. Here, the connectivity k of G of graph G is a minimum k for which G has a cut vertex, or in other words, we can say that k of G is a minimum number of vertices in G whose deletion from G leaves a graph either disconnected or trivial. For example, let G be a bipartite graph. Now, let me remove the vertices one by one to get the disconnected graph. Then, k of G equal to 3 since removal of 3 vertices disconnects the graph. Hence, k of G is nothing but the k vertex cut with k elements. And similarly, we can define k dash of G, which is nothing but the k edge cut with k elements. For example, in this graph G, now let us remove the edges one by one to get the disconnected graph of G. K dash of G equal to 2 since removal of 2 edges disconnects the graph. With the above definitions, we are clear about the vertex and the edge cut of the graph. Now, let us continue with the proof of the theorem. Let k of G be the k vertex cut with k elements, k dash of G the k edge cut with k elements, and delta of G, which is a minimum degree of the graph. Now, to prove k less than or equal to k dash, which is less than or equal to delta, we consider two cases. Case 1, when the graph is disconnected or trivial. By the given definitions, it is obvious that k less than or equal to k dash less than or equal to delta. In the second case, we consider the graph to be connected. Now, we prove k of G less than or equal to k dash of G. Here, the graph G is connected. Then, there is a set of edge cut with k dash edges, in which choose one end vertex of each k dash edges. The removal of these end vertices certainly disconnects the graph, and this minimum number of vertices removed cannot exceed the edge connectivity k dash. Hence, k of G less than or equal to k dash of G. For example, for this graph G, k dash of G equal to 1 and k of G is also equal to 1. And in the second graph, k dash of G equal to 2 and k of G equal to 1. In both the cases, k of G less than or equal to k dash of G. Now, we have to prove k dash of G less than or equal to delta of G. Let G be a connected graph and let V be any vertex in G such that d of V equal to delta, which is the minimum degree. Then, it is easy to see that the removal of all the edges incident with this vertex V leaves the graph disconnected. Hence, k dash of G less than or equal to del of G. For example, here both k dash of G and delta of G are equal to 2. And in this second graph G, delta of G equal to 2 but k dash of G equal to 1. In both the cases, k dash of G less than or equal to delta of G. Combining the inequalities, we have k less than or equal to k dash, which is less than or equal to delta. Thank you for watching this video.